Hi, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor EXP Realty, coming to you from our newest Hoover listing, 4759 McGill Court, here in the beautiful McGill Crossings neighborhood in Hoover. This master plan community is fantastic. It's fully gated. This home was built in 2015. It's a beautiful four-sides brick home with 5 bedrooms, two full bedrooms on the main level, and 2 full bathrooms on the main level, 4 bathrooms total. Like I said, this house was built in 2015, just a wonderful neighborhood, 10 minutes from everything Hoover, just a short drive down Rossbridge Parkway. You've got all the Rossbridge amenities available just right here off Highway 150 by Deer Valley Elementary School. It's listed by our wonderful Hoover specialist, Miss Rebecca McCalman, and she's going to tell you a little bit more about this amazing house and the open house we're having this Sunday, January 29th from 2 to 4.
Thanks, Drew. Yeah, as Drew mentioned, this home has just got so many wonderful features, 2 bedrooms on the main level. It's just got a lot of extra special things in the home. As you can see in this room, you've got very high ceilings with beams, very open floor plan, lots of hardwoods. Upstairs, you've got three bedrooms, 1 with an ensuite and 2 with a connector with a Jack and Jill bath and an additional den. One of the other fabulous things about this home too is it's got a 3rd car garage. The 3rd car could easily be converted into a home office or another entertaining space. Have a wonderful outdoor living space, complete with a built-in grill area and a fire pit. Lots of privacy in this home and storage beyond belief. It goes live this Sunday with an open house, as Drew mentioned. I'd love for you to come take a tour and see all the special things about this home.
That's right. Be sure and come check this home out Sunday, January 29th, 2 to 4 p.m. I'll let Rebecca show you around and let her show you some other great houses in the Hoover area and tell you a little bit more about this great community and the other great communities Team Taylor represents around the Hoover area. Thanks for watching the video.